So, I'm at Chad's house, and, they fell asleep. And maybe you could hear it, but I don't know if you can. But, they're snoring. This is the day right after prom. It is, let's find out what time it is. It is 4:16 p.m. I don't know if you can see that. If you can't, oh well, too bad. Anyway, let's go witness the snoring. So yeah, they're sleeping. When they find this out, they're gonna kill me. But oh well. So yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Snoring Kriston. So snores like a bear. Anyway, bye.